This homemade balsamic vinegar dressing takes just 60 seconds, costs pennies, and tastes better than most restaurant salads. 1/4 cup balsamic vinegar, 1/2 cup extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 garlic clove minced, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Add 1/4 cup balsamic vinegar to a small mixing bowl or jar. Add 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard and 1 tablespoon honey. Whisk until smooth. Add 1 minced garlic clove for fresh flavor. Sprinkle in 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Slowly pour in 1/2 cup extra virgin olive oil while whisking continuously. Keep whisking for about 30 seconds until the dressing becomes smooth and slightly creamy. Taste and adjust with a little extra honey for sweetness or balsamic vinegar for tang. Do you like your salad dressing sweet or tangy? Comment your choice below.